Welcome to the Painful Budgeter. Today we're going to do a haul. I didn't realize what time it was or how late it was, so I'm like, geez, it's almost 5 o'clock. I better go and get that done. I need to go pay off one of my bills. So we're going to get the car payment so I can go over and pay that off today if they're open. So 150. I'll go and get them. I guess I could probably just take the whole thing. I'm going to take the whole thing. That way, if I have a little extra money, I always forget. I'm going to get me a purse one of these days, a nice one. Groceries. I'm going to take some groceries, some fur babies. You can take some fur babies. Don't need gas. Don't need Fix-It. Might go into Target, Costco. I don't know. I don't think I need a whole lot, but I'll take it with me just in case. Grab some on my to-do list or my stuff. Yeah, I do need some mouthwash. I might get a big one there. Or maybe not. Yeah, just some milk, some cream cheese, veggies, yogurt, bacon, cilantro, onions, avocados, nuts. I need to go over to buy the where's my name? I want to get something from. I want to get some orange. I can't spell that. Pills. Ooh, we got a storm coming in. It is crazy out there. Got some orange pills. We'll go over to Trader Joe's. Maybe get some more of the veggies or the cauliflower stuffy. Go over by they have a wheat-free place over. Might get some wheat, some of their flour or their wheat-free stuff. I don't think I need a whole lot of stuff. I'm going to try not to go overboard. I do need some canned stuff for the animals. I might just go over to Petco tomorrow with the rabbit, and I'll have to do it today. I have family coming over tomorrow too. I might have to do the morning. All right. Anyways, we'll get it done sometime this week. Thank you. I'll see you back. Holy crap! They rolled in fast. The wind blew in, and then like 3 seconds later, boom! Oh. It is dumping! Might want to wait a little bit before I hit the freeway. I'm going to film that from a car because I am not going to film that in the rain. I'm going to go pay off my RC Wheelie card. I got like $150 left on it. Let's run. Singing in the rain. Holy shit. It's a beautiful day out here. Now I'm gonna get lightning striking, right? There's a little bit of Trader Joe's on my way in. Pretty. I think I'm good on flowers at home though. These are very pretty though. Smells so. Ooh, I love the yellow. That's pretty. I think I'm good on flowers, so 23 cents each, huh? 1, 2, 3, 7. Let's see. Could dehydrate some actually. Yeah, let's just do 3. Sweet potato. I had that one last time, so I'll get the other one this time. It's not bad price, but slightly cheaper. 50 cents. How many ounces? 14? 12. Okay, you get a little bit more. That's not bad. Got a lot of cucumbers at home, so I'm going to get me a watermelon. Cucumbers and watermelon go good together. Mango. Give that a try. I like mango. I like raki. These are my favorite. Get 2 of them. Really good. Other ones are pretty good, or these ones too. They're not bad. But they're more expensive. A little more tangy though. Not bad. Over here at Petco. I didn't film the sign because I forgot. So I'm gonna go in here. I don't want to go my store, so I gotta go to this store. So yeah, this is a tiny freaking Petco. Let's go get some kitty food. Never mind, I found some. Clearance. 2 for the brothers and sisters and a sparkly one for the noisy cat. Going to the state liquor store because we're in Utah, so everything can't just go to the grocery store and get you any of the good shit. And now it's raining on me again. Here comes rain again, falling on my head like a tragedy. Blah 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 blah. Hey. Action. on this side. Okay, we are back. Did a little bit more grocery shopping than I had planned this week. I used whatever I had left over last week. I had like $40 left over from last week. And then the $50 I had, I used this week. And I also went into my Costco money a little bit. So I have actually nothing. I got to the checkout stand and I'm like, oh, I forgot my money. So I had to use my Visa. And then after I got it and was going out to the truck, I realized, oh, it was actually in the cart. So I still had the money, but it did come to below 40, which is what I had left over, is like $36. So I did use all the money without, well, technically I did use my credit card, but I'll put the rest of the money into the going back to the bank. And or I might just throw it into the Costco. I'll probably just throw it back in the bank so I can next time I go to the bank I'll just either take $40 less or whatever. But yeah, went over to Trader Joe's, got me some peanut butter stuff, some bananas, a little bit of watermelon, some green lime thingies. So I wanted to make a margarita. I haven't gotten any alcohol for about a month. And this will actually last me quite a bit, as long as my neighbors don't come over and don't have a party. Got some, so a lot of milk. My neighbors gave me some eggs, so I figured I'd make some eggnog because I need to kind of go through them. So I'll make some eggnog, put it in my coffee, and since I have family coming over tomorrow, we can drink it together. And got some fruits and veggies. I have some cilantro. I have peaches outside, and I have some jalapenos or peppers type of stuff. So I figured I'd make some peach salsa. And we're making fried fish tomorrow, so I figured with the peach salsa would go really good with some like fried cod or whatever else we have going on out there tomorrow. Got some more yogurt. I'm about down to a quarter of a thing, and I had to throw out my cottage cheese because I had it in the corner and forgot I had it, and it was expired. Got me some more tea. I'm down to like 5 tea bags, and yeah, these are on sale, and I love me some mango and some black tea, so I figured I'd give that one a try. Some bacon. Oh, got me some more of the. Already got into it. Got into some more orange slices. They always go really good in with like black tea. This already has mango. It might be actually orange and mango really go well together, so this would probably taste really good. I usually cut these in half or in quarters, and I use them instead of sugar. Hopefully I'm not filming just my boob or this side. And of course I got some more cat food, and I have a bag of cat food as well, because I figured I might as well get it and I don't have to worry about this next couple weeks. And then next week I'll get the pellets for the rabbit, because she's got enough to at least last her a week or two. And so that's my haul this week. A lot more than, I think last week all I got was like school stuff. I didn't really get any groceries at all, because I've been kind of trying to clean out my cupboards and then replacing them with more keto-ish friendly stuff, not including fruit. I do eat fruit and stuff, but then alcohol's totally not keto. But yeah, hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will put this stuff away before everything goes bad. Talk to you later. Love you all.